Well, as the law stands right now, if the police believe your money or property are used for drug activities, they can confiscate your money or property. Then you have to prove you're innocent.
All right, ABC 2's Don Harrison has more on the plan to try and change this law.
And the way the law is today, they've got to go to court.
Senator Raskin is hoping for a legislative override on the governor's veto that will continue to allow the government to make you forfeit your assets even if you have not been charged yet. Raskin's bill hopes to take the law even further.
The government should not be able to keep your private property unless you've been charged, arrested, and convicted of a crime.
It was tax money I had documents for.
Naeem Harrison says he was pulled over because police smelled marijuana in his car in 2012. Court records show the case was thrown out and Harrison was not charged. Yet they kept $3,800 in cash and his Lincoln Navigator.
Just because you have money, doesn't mean you should have your things taken.
I absolutely was part of the problem. If we ever get...
Neil Franklin spent 23 years with Maryland State Police. For some of that time, he was in charge of drug enforcement on the Eastern Shore. Franklin says the state is taking advantage of a drug kingpin law from the 80s that did serve a purpose.
Then started using that policy upon the average citizen for the smallest thing. And we would take any cash that they had in their pockets at the time. We'd seize their car. Some cases we seized their homes. And it's absolutely wrong. It goes completely against what this country is about.
The governor has stated in the past the asset forfeiture law helps to ensure that no one will reap any economic benefit from their crimes. The Maryland State's Attorneys Association and the Maryland Sheriff's Association support the governor's veto.
And I just think it could be a better way.
If lawmakers can override the governor's veto later on this week, then Maryland's forfeiture laws will be more restricted. In Annapolis, Don Harrison, ABC 2 News.